Hello everybody, and welcome back to Slow English Learning. Join me as we walk through the countryside of Hampshire.
Come, Bella. Bella, come. Come on.
Today we are going for a long afternoon walk in Hampshire, England. Can you hear the sound of the birds chirping? Bella, the dog, is smelling something in the grass that she likes. Here she comes, wagging her tail. It's a rare sunny day today. Not a cloud in the sky. Welcome to this English listening and shadowing practice video. It's good to have you here. Here in the UK, it is winter time. Cold nights and short days have caused all the leaves to fall. The trees look bare now. They are resting. In spring, new leaves will grow again, and the countryside will feel alive and full of colour. But for now, enjoy this calming, cold, sunny day as we walk through the countryside. Bella
Bella.
does not like walking on the stones. They hurt her feet.
Come on.
Come on, Bella.
Good girl.
She is 9 years old. Her legs are a bit stiff to begin with, but when her legs warm up, she can walk for hours and hours. She is a bit slow to begin with. Can you see the squirrel in the tree on the left? Squirrels are great tree climbers. They are very agile and quick. The word squirrel is difficult to pronounce, even for English natives. Squirrel. The gate is open today. We can pass through. Where is Bella? She smells something she likes in the grass again. Look, She's marking her territory. She's running.
Good girl.
It looks like her body has warmed up now. The path here is very muddy. It has rained a lot recently, so it is very slippery. I need to be careful not to slip and fall over. My hiking boots are old and worn out. I need to take extra care, or I may end up with a muddy backside. She knows the way. Can you open the gate, Bella? The sign says, West Dean Estate, bridleway only, no vehicles. This sign says, sheep in this field, please keep your dog on a lead. There are no sheep on this land in the winter. They have been herded and moved away, so I will keep Bella off the lead. A beautiful landscape. Can you see in the distance the farmer's house? This is called a trough. It is used as drinking water for livestock. It looks a bit old and slimy. Look at the bright red berries.
Go on, girl. Come on.
What have you found, Bella? Are you thirsty?
Go on. Have a drink.
She is thirsty. Very thirsty indeed.
Yeah, very good.
Have some more. Are you feeling better?
Yeah. Yeah. That better? Good girl. Should we go this way?
Shall we go left? Through the gate. After you, madame.
Good girl.
Let's go down here.
Umbrella.
Nice and steady. We have come to a crossroads. Wow. We just walked over a tiny bridge. I didn't even realize. We are now on the Centurion Way. This used to be an old railway line. It opened in 1881. Very interesting. Let's go under the bridge and follow the old railway line. This would have been the most convenient method for transporting goods and people in the 19th century. Rhythm and rhyme help us understand and remember. Here is a poem by Alfred Lord Tennyson to remind you of what you've learned in this video. Live thy life, young and old, like yon oak, bright in spring, living gold. Summer rich, then and then autumn changed. Soberer hued, gold again. All his leaves fallen at length. Look, he stands, trunk and brow, naked strength. Thank you for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe. It really does help the YouTube algorithm. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Take care, everybody, and good on ya.